Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about this 25-piece sandpaper variety pack. So I got this off Amazon and I am so impressed. It comes with 12 different types of grit, including 120, 150, 180, all the way up to 3,000, you guys. So check this out. Let's get out of the packaging so I can show you guys what it looks like. So these are the first ones. These are the 3,000 and they're going to be the softest one yet. As the number gets lower, for instance 120, 150, 180, you can already see that it's going to be rougher right there. So you get a great variety. You get so many of them. I believe you get two of each, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, there we go, two of each, and these are incredible. You can use them for home renovation or whatever you can possibly need them for. I really recommend this product. You get all of these for one price, so you don't have to go out and buy a 240 or a 150. You just have all of them stored away. They are super compact. Take a look at that. These can be stored anywhere. I really like these and they are incredible. So go check this out, you guys. This pack is definitely worth adding to your toolbox.